If you are looking for the best picture quality, especially in dark environments, the Panasonic Z95B OLED TV is generally considered the better choice compared to the Sony Bravia 9 LCD TV, as OLED display offers superior contrast level and deep black. However, the Sony Bravia 9 might be preferable if you need a TV for brightened room due to its better handling of a high peak brightness. Dimensions 1450 x 830 x 50 mm and 1227 x 765 x 69 mm. Weight 32.4 kg and 39 kg. Wall mount 300 x 300 mm and 400 x 400 mm. Special features: XR backlight master drive, PS5 features, game menu and eco dashboard, IMAX enhanced, and Dolby Atmos sound system, swayable stand, subwoofer connection, true game mode. Tuners: attached 3.0 USA, DVB T2 S2C Europe. Display type: LCD and OLED. Panel type: VAQD and OLED. Skin size: 65, 75, 85 inch USA, Europe and 55, 65, 77 inch USA, Europe. Display resolution: 4K. Refresh rate: 120 Hz and 144 Hz. Brightness: 4000 nits. Display colors: 1070 million. Pixel density: 68 ppi. Color bit: 10 bit. Response time: 4.6 ms and 5.6 ms. Contrast ratio: 6000:1. Video processor: XR processor and HCX Pro AI MK2. HDMI variable refresh rate: yes. Auto low latency mode: yes. High gig: yes. HDR formats: HDR10 hybrid long gamma Dolby Vision and HDR10 HDR10 plus adaptive hybrid long gamma Dolby Vision IQ. HDMI ports: 4 into HDMI 2.1. USB ports: 2 into USB A and 3 into USB A. Wi-Fi 6 800 2.11 AX. Bluetooth 5.3. TV platform: Google TV and Fire TV. Version at operating system: 12. Operating system updates: yes. Chromecast: yes. HomeKit: yes. AirPlay 2: yes. Voice assistants: Google Assistant Alexa and Alexa. Speakers: 70 watt 2.2.2 acoustic multi audio plus and 360 sound space pro. HDMI ARC and EARC: yes. Dolby Atmos: yes. Dolby Digital Plus: yes. Dolby AC3 AC4: yes. Detach audio: yes and no. Detach HD: yes and no.